May good news tayo for micro taxpayers as the BAR offers a one-time tax abatement or amnesty of taxes for just 5,000 pesos. Now, taxpayers can settle their delinquent accounts or assessments, including yung mga hindi na nag-ooperate na businesses pero hindi lang nakapag-close with the BAR. Alam natin na malaki-laki ang open cases niyan if napabayaan. To know if pwede ka mag-avail of this, micro taxpayers are businesses with gross sales of under 3 million pesos. And yung scope nito is as of December 31 na 2025. And yung tax liability mo must not exceed 80,000 pesos. Now, this complements yung mga previous memorandums ni BAR na hindi na nila hahabulin yung mga small taxpayers kasi hindi na siya sulit. You can avail of this benefit only until December 31, 2026 unless in extend, and this is filed on a per taxable year basis. If everything goes smoothly at the end, after mo magbayad, ibibigyan ka ng certificate of availment which is your proof na nakapag-settle na kayo ng accounts nyo.